you want to make money on Zoom? Are you looking to maximize your profits through paid online consultations? Look no further. In this video, we'll talk about how easily you can set up a one-to-one meeting funnel using Zoom. You could be an ADHD coach or business coach or hypertrophy coach or health coach if we mention the coaching industry. Also, for any other service-based business or consultants or experts, this strategy will help you streamline your paid consultation process and increase your revenue. Somewhere in the middle of this video, I will show you the list of 71 different niches just as references. Are you still wondering how to make money from Zoom? This simple one-to-one meeting funnel integrates Zoom with Calendly and a payment gateway. With this integration of Zoom and Calendly, scheduling and managing your appointments become a breeze. This will save you time and keep your business organized. Wait please. This entire funnel setup can be done with only free tools. No need of any paid tools. How cool is that? Not only that, but by seamlessly integrating a payment gateway also. You can easily collect payments for your services without any hassle. This entire funnel setup is designed to make your life easier and help you focus on what you do best, providing valuable consultations or professional services. Do you want to learn how to build a profitable one-to-one meeting funnel using Zoom? You have some expertise, you want to share your expertise with others. So, you can build your profitable one-to-one meeting funnel so that people first pay you and then you give them your services. Say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to a smooth and seamless process. Imagine this simple funnel. When I say funnel here, it means steps. Firstly, suppose you are an expert and you're providing some services. You could be NLP coach, fitness consultant, financial advisor, legal expert, culinary expert or real estate coach. Someone needs your advice or services or consultation and they will ask you how much he or she needs to pay for the same. Now, you want to charge $40 or $100 for 1 hour of your services or 1 hour of your consultation. This dollar estimates are just examples. It will go higher in multiples depending on your expertise level and niche. The same is applicable in developing countries also, but it can be less than $40 depending on the audience you serve and niche you are in. So imagine that you just give a payment link to your customer. He or she pays to you using payment gateways like Razorpay or Instamojo or PayPal. Once they make the payment, the customer automatically sees the appointment page. Just like as a patient when he or she wants to book an appointment, can see the availability of the time slots of doctor. Similarly, here you can actually create an appointment booking system, so that a person can see your available time slots and book. I have given my Zoom mini course link in this video's description below and in the pinned comment also. This mini course will show you how to create this appointment booking system for you using a tool called Calendly. It's a very simple tutorial. Then the next step is when the customer pays, customer sees appointment booking system page, where your available slots are seen. Then the customer chooses a particular time slot and book it. He or she receives a Zoom meeting link invitation automatically on their email. You will also receive an email with the Zoom meeting link. Finally, you do the meeting, which means it creates a very smooth process of paid one-to-one meeting funnel using Zoom. It is the professional way of offering your services, consultation for a prefixed payment. But as always, you must ensure providing the best value with clarity. This Zoom mini course will cover the following 7 things which you can easily implement. These include collecting payment through payment gateways, creating a free Calendly account. This Zoom mini course gives you a proper demo about setting up your availability in Calendly account, integrating Zoom with Calendly tool. You will also learn how to redirect customers to book appointment after payment and how to start scheduled Zoom meeting. Many people don't know how to do it right. You can give paid consultations by charging a deserving dollar fee. Suppose you are an expert in a particular tool like Canva or Midjourney or any tool. You want people to book paid meeting with you. I mean in any situation when you have to collect payment for your time, services, consultation. You can use the entire learning from my Zoom mini course. I attached the link of my Zoom mini course in this video's description and also in the pinned comment. It's a mini course but at mini price. Some of you might be wondering whether you can also make money with Zoom, because you are in a specific niche or business. To put it simple, if you are in a situation where you can collect payment for your time or services or consultation, this Zoom mini course is for you. I will now show you about 71 different niches, segments, expertise areas for which this Zoom mini course is surely a money-making tool. I repeat, I am showing you not just 10 or 20, not even 40 but 71 different niches. Here is the first list of 33 niches among 77. You can pause the video and take a screenshot if you want. Here is the second list of 38 niches among 77. I just showed you 71 different niches, segments, expertise areas. These are not exhaustive lists since there are many other niches also exist on Earth. There are many experts in the listed 71 niches but they do not know how to charge from the audience and how to create this smooth one-to-one meeting funnel. Hence, they are leaving a lot of money on the table. So, you can access the Zoom mini course from the link in this video's description or pinned comment. Even if you are too busy to do this simple funnel setup, you can engage your team member or your assistant to watch this mini course, so that they can finish setting up this funnel for you, because it is extremely simple and easy. No need of paid tools. No need to create landing pages. No need to be techie. This Zoom mini course is valued at 2,999 rupees, but since you're here watching this video, I want to give you a special offer. The special offer is you can get it at just 197 rupees. This is about 93% off from actual price of 2,999 rupees. So this is totally insane, right? Only 197 rupees for this mini course. Please note that the above price in rupees denote Indian rupee INR. The US dollar prices are calculated based on the currency exchange rates at the time of releasing this video, in third week of February 2024. So, US dollar prices could vary slightly when you watch this video. The Zoom mini course payment link is given in this video's description and pinned comment. This given payment link will accept both domestic, India, and international payments. You can watch this Zoom mini course in one sitting. Just follow the instructions what I am giving and what I am sharing on the screen. Simply you will be able to set up your own one-to-one meeting funnel in just 50 minutes. Now before I close this video, I like to ask whether do you want some bonuses? Who does not like bonuses? I want to really give you some mind-blowing value bonuses. You will get access to 3 video lessons of complete detailed Zoom workshop as free bonuses when you are grabbing the Zoom mini course. The link is given below in this video's description and in the pinned comment. Enjoy these value bonuses. These are the 3 bonuses. Day 1, 2 and 3 are bonuses 1, 2 and 3. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the Zoom mini course link from this video's description or the pinned comment. Start setting up your one-to-one funnel today and watch your profits soar. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for such useful topics and ideas in and around digital business. You would have realized the need for simple but effective one-to-one funnel to boost the profitability of your business. This Zoom mini course will gift you with time freedom due to one-time funnel setup. Remember again, all this setup can be done with only free tools. You can grab the Zoom mini course from the link in the video description or pinned comment. Thank you once again and see you in the next video.